Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day so far today. As you can see today, I am looking a little rough. I have what I'm sure you all know of is a knitting hangover. I was up super late last night just knitting away, and I think I've only gotten like 4 hours of sleep, so I am super tired. But I wanted to make this video for you guys because today we are going to be talking about this. This is the eSunlight. It's one of those flexible lights that go around your neck so you can like see what you're doing when you're working. I asked about this a few days ago on my Facebook page. A lot of you said you have them, you love them, so I thought, hey, I'll give it a try. I got it from Amazon. The link will be in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. They have a 4.5 star rating out of 5, and that is with 900 and some reviews. So it must be pretty good. At least a lot of people think it's pretty good, so I'll give it a try. It is Prime eligible, so if you have Prime, you want to check it out. I think it was $13.99. Like I said, links in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. But today we are going to open this and see what it's all about, and we'll go from there. But first, you know what I'm going to say. I'm going to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so now. Don't forget to click that bell icon when you do subscribe. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. All the links are in the description below, you guys. If you want to follow me on Facebook, join my private Facebook group. You can check out the merch store, and yeah. So check those links out down below, and let's just get into today's video. Okay, the eSunlight flexible little thing that goes around your neck. Let's see what it's all about. Now the reason I need this is because I love knitting at night. It's like my prime knitting hours. It's when the house is quiet and everyone is sleeping except for me, and I can just knit in silence and peace and not be bothered. So I like to knit at night. And the problem with knitting at night is people don't like lights on. Go figure, when they're trying to sleep. So I thought I would try this and see if this could solve my problem. Okay, so when you open it and take it out of the box, you get a rechargeable cord. So that's nice, it's rechargeable. You don't have to like keep filling it up with batteries. You get some directions, some instructions, and just something about it. We'll figure it out as we go. And then here is the actual product. Okay. It's larger than what I thought it was going to be, but then I've never had one of these or seen one of these in person. So we're just taking it out of the packaging. It feels very nice, like very quality. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels really nice. This is very soft, like rubber, so very nice. It has a little guard for this goes in the back of your neck area. That's just a little thing that was covering that. And this is where you would plug it in to charge it. Now it didn't come with like the thing you plug into the wall, so you're gonna have to use like your cell phone charger or something because it's just USB. But yeah, and it says it has 4 different settings. It has 4 lights. There's 2 lights. Let me show you. There is 2 lights on each little arm. Can you see that? There's 2 lights on each little arm, and you can make it to where only 1 light lights up, 2 lights, 3 lights, or 4 lights. It has 3 different angles. It has a spotlight, a wide angle, or a dual angle. So basically, I'm guessing you just put it around your neck. It is very flexible, and there's the light. That's 1. This is 2. 2 lights are on. Very bright. I wish it was darker in here so you guys could see, but so far it does come a little bit charged anyway right out of the box because I just opened it. I haven't plugged it in, and it does have some juice. So yeah, you can just turn on 1 arm. Each arm has its own little clicker to turn on. But yeah, guys, I think it will be, and you can like adjust these. So if you want to tell like scary stories and flip them up like this, you could tell scary stories. I'm just joking. You guys don't want to see that? Okay. But yeah, and then you can just knit away in the dark. This is going to take a little adjusting to get them just right, but once you get the light pointed just where you need it, so it doesn't bother anyone. And of course, you don't need this light just for knitting or crocheting, you can use this for anything, reading in bed. Or you could, you could let your husband borrow it. There's a picture of a guy working on a car. Or if you work on cars, you can use this as your light, and it's like hands-free. So I think this is going to work out. I'm definitely going to be using this tonight. But so far, like I said, the quality feels super nice. It doesn't feel flimsy. It doesn't feel cheap. It's very soft, and you can put these in any position. You could probably even sit this on a table and use it as a light. You don't have to even wear it around your neck. But yeah, so far, I think it's gonna work out great. If you guys wanna check it out for yourself, link is in the description below. What I really love about it though is it's rechargeable. Just recharge it. When you're done knitting, plug it in, take a nap, go to sleep, wake up in the morning, it's ready for the next night. So that is nice. So yes, this is the eSunlight. Like I said, got it off Amazon, and I believe it was $13.99. And there's a lot of reviews if you guys want to read them yourself. Link is in the description below. Now, that was fun. Now what I want to talk to you guys about, and I'm kind of nervous about, but we all have to start somewhere, right? Here is a hat I finished. And if you follow me on Facebook, you've seen this hat. I love this hat. It was very fun to make, and I would say it's Fair Isle, but it's like for you're just starting out Fair Isle. There's no floats in this hat, so it's really easy. That's the inside of it. And there is a pattern for this hat. It was my very first pattern. It is published on Ravelry. It is a paid pattern. I believe it's $2.50. It was my first time making a pattern. There is no graph for this, so if you're not good at reading graphs, you don't have to worry about that. But every single round of this pattern is written out for you to read. So yeah, I worked really hard on writing it out. I tried to write it out as professional as I could. So I hope it's okay for everyone. If you're interested in it, if you would like to purchase it, there'll be a link to this hat pattern down below. And I'm just really nervous about it, you guys. Like I said, first pattern I ever did, and I hope I did it well. So if you're interested in this hat pattern, link is in the description below. And look what came in the mail. Right as I was beginning to film this video, I got a knock on my door. This came, it's from Red Heart. Now, I'm not sponsored by Red Heart, and I actually purchased everything that's in this box with my own money, but we're gonna give that an open on a Friday. So if you are curious to know what is in this box, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you'll be notified when I upload that video on a Friday. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today, you guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. And yeah, if you wanna check out this really cool light, which I'm really excited about using tonight, the link for this will be in the description below. You want to check out this hat on Ravelry. This link will be on the description below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see what's in my Red Heart box. And yeah, that's going to be it for today, you guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have anything you want to say to me, hello, goodbye, this video was horrible, whatever, I'm down to read it. Just leave your comments down below. Okay, you guys, like I said, I am super tired. I am feeling super goofy. I'm going on 4 hours of sleep because I can't stop knitting. Do I need an intervention? I don't know. I don't even know what I'm talking about now. I'm rambling. All right. I'm done. Okay, you guys, that's it. Hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day, and happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye.